I have a wed92hefc0 dryer with an F4E4 error code. Voltage from the wall is good, it runs, but runs extremely hot. Just replaced the thermistor, but it made no difference.
Good afternoon. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question.
Okay.
So the error F4E4 does mean that the voltage getting to the dryer isn't correct, but you said you've checked that and it checks good. In addition to that, if the voltage wasn't correct, the dryer wouldn't be overheating.
I confirmed the voltage to the volatile to the dryer is correct. Any thoughts on what the issue might be?
Unfortunately, this all adds up and means that your power relay control board over the drum mounted to the left side wall has failed and needs to be replaced. The part number is, and it's about $200. Below is a link to the part you'll need to order and replace for your model. https://partster.com/part/w10875487 main control board. GCLID equals cage 75 brac AAFME_K1JTGR7GG2GB Eagle 9 GCL Juk from EC 91 SCOSP KB Harpkernro Kovd_boy. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.